In the sunny town of Wheelville, every morning sparkled with fun and laughter. Kids ran through the park, chasing butterflies and each other. But their favorite playmate wasn't a kid at all. It was a shiny red car named Zippy, the naughtiest little car ever. Zippy winked his headlight, honked cheerfully, and spun his wheels like he was dancing. The kids waved and laughed. "Morning, Zippy," they shouted. Zippy honked twice. Beep, beep, his way of saying hello. The day was just beginning, and so was the fun. It was cleaning day, and Mia wanted to help. She poured water gently on Zippy's shiny red hood. But Zippy had other ideas. Psh! Zippy sprayed water right back at her from his wipers. "Zippy!" Mia shouted, half angry, half laughing. Rohan tried to join in. Zippy spun in small circles, honking wildly, enjoying every moment of chaos. Kabir tried to catch him, but Zippy zigzagged away, teasing him like a game of tag. Zippy's headlights blinked mischievously, that naughty grin again. The kids chased him around the big oak tree, their laughter echoing through the park. Then suddenly, screech! Zippy stopped. After all that running, everyone was hot and tired. And there's no better cure for that than ice cream. The kids walked over into the ice cream stall, Zippy trailing behind like an excited puppy. He leaned forward slightly, headlights wide, sniffing the cones like he could smell the sweetness. The ice cream man chuckled. "Cars like ice cream too, huh?" Mia grinned. "He thinks he's one of us." Zippy suddenly popped open his sunroof and whoosh! Many ice cream scoops flew straight up onto Zippy. The kids gasped, then burst into uncontrollable laughter. Zippy honked loudly, "Achoo!" pretending to sneeze ice cream everywhere. Even the ice cream man laughed so hard, he gave everyone an extra cone. Kabir picked up a bit that had landed on the bumper. "Still cold," he said, tasting it. The next morning, it was time for school. The kids hopped inside Zippy near the big, colorful school gate. "Please behave today, Zippy," whispered Kabir. Zippy winked and hummed softly, "Of course." But before anyone could say more, boom! The speakers blasted, "Baby Shark, do-do-do-do." The whole school turned to look. Mia covered her ears. Rohan laughed so hard he couldn't breathe. Zippy bounced up and down like he was dancing to the beat. The students near the gate peeked out, clapping and laughing. "Zippy, stop!" Kabir shouted, pressing every button on the dashboard. But it only made the music louder. Zippy honked in rhythm, beep, 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 perfectly matching the tune. Even the principal stepped outside, crossing his arms with a smile. He shook his head, laughing. "You're too naughty, Zippy." Zippy wiggled his tires like he was bowing on stage. The kids couldn't resist. They jumped out and danced too. But the weather had other plans that afternoon. Dark clouds rolled over Wheelville, and raindrops began to fall. The kids hurried to Zippy, giggling under their backpacks. "Home, please, before we get soaked," said Mia. Rohan added, "And watch and be careful, Zippy." Zippy's headlights narrowed cheekily. "Careful? Never heard that word before." Before they could stop him, vroom! Zippy drove straight through the biggest puddle in the street. Splash! Water exploded in every direction. The kids screamed, then burst into laughter as muddy water dripped from their hair. Kabir started laughing even harder. Zippy honked triumphantly, spinning through more puddles like a race car. Kids started throwing muds at Zippy. Zippy also having fun with kids. They had a mud splashing party, running on the grass with water pool and mud, splashing water while running and throwing more mud on each other. Having a water splash party with Zippy, making everyone happy. Rain eases into a drizzle. Kids laugh loudly, completely soaked. Zippy stands nearby, headlights glowing warm yellow. Zippy sprays windshield washer fluid like water guns. Kids squeal and dodge. Rohan slips gently and lands in a puddle. Mia pets Zippy's hood affectionately. "You're the best car ever!" Zippy's eyes soften and filled with affection, reflecting friendship. Golden sunset spreads over Wheelville's wet streets. Zippy cruises slowly with the kids on board, laughter echoing faintly. Zippy drives by the park. Birds fly overhead, reflections shimmer on his shiny red surface. Mia leans her head out the window, wind brushing her hair. She smiles softly. Zippy's wheels roll through shallow water. Then it drove to the top of the hill for a great view of the town. Rohan to Kabir, pointing at rainbow forming in the sky. Zippy slows down and parks at a hilltop for a better view. Kids stand beside Zippy, watching the rainbow. They saw the beautiful and vast horizon. Zippy's face, forming a smile. The kids giggle warmly. The kids hug Zippy's hood. Reflections of all their faces shimmer on the polished metal. The town looks majestic with fireflies and the air looks magical. The twilight makes the town so beautiful. In nutshell, every day is an adventure with friends. Enjoy every moment of it with your loved ones.